There's another one. And we'll do one more of these. This is another medium size one. You get your U-Haul box. Turn it to the top of the box where the perforations are. Do not separate these. Don't even open the box. Just fold them down. So you have the separation panels there that are tabbed together. Fold it, and then hold down the sides in the middle. And here's a trick. Fold it out like this, because you're going to be getting into the box shape. Fold it all the way out. Press once like that. You flip it over. This is the bottom. Remember, this is the top of the box. So we're going to fold in the tops here, and the tops here, and the tops here. Already have a piece of tape ready to go, and press these together. It's really, you'll have a much stronger box if you make sure the bottom's lined up. Little piece to hold it there. You can also have the long ones pre. You'll get like 20 inches. Lay it first on top, right down that crack before you do the end zone. Seal that down, really nice and good. And then tug these down the side. And you don't have to put a second one, or somebody can put a third, as long as you do it that way. Now your box is ready to go, and the sides are down. When you're done and you're ready to pack it, you zip the ties, fold it over, repeat, and then you have it ready to go. So we just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have a little one, to give you an idea on size. And then we have the medium ones. Large. It's about the same width as this. The small ones, so they're the same width, just deeper. A lot of people get it screwed up. The heavier something it is, put it in smaller boxes. You need more smaller boxes. And the lighter the stuff, it's like big stuffed animal put in here. Oh, some knickknacks. Okay, we went through, we filled up a whole bunch of boxes. Now each room's going to get a different set of boxes depending on what we know. Like downstairs, I know I've got a lot of knickknacks, electronics and stuff, and I'm probably going to put in 2 different boxes, or maybe 3, and other stuff like that. There's going to be a medium. So we're going to throw down those first 2, and then a medium. I know we need that for sure down there. Knickknacks like pictures, frames, mementos, things like that. So we put down another medium for those. And though nothing comes to mind, I know there's some taller stuff. We'll do that there. Now upstairs, we've got one room is cleaned out, another's half clean, ready to be packed. Another one is still in demolition mode. Carpets have to be taken off, walls stripped. It's been semi-cleaned of all trash and junk we're going to get rid of. The last stuff's up there to be packed, including a bathroom, which has a huge cabinet in it, full of probably 10,000 hair care products and travel accessories and medicines and band-aids and prescriptions that are 10 years old. A lot of that's going to go to trash, but what's left will go in these smaller boxes. We've got a whole bunch of random stuff that's going to be little. Not too many big stuff, so we will just put in one medium. And we still have reserve boxes out. So you all always get about 30% more than you think, because I'm betting that this will take 15 boxes. But we'll see. We're going to get them up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 down there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down there. 15. I've got 5 extra in reserve. We'll probably use them. If you remember earlier, I showed you the trick on don't take these tabs off, because then you're left with a top that you have to fight, because you can't just toss them down the steps like we did before. You see that? And even if you're going to take them down, you got to do this number, and that's why you do it the correct way.